This is Marketing Team 3. We will start our presentation about the cooperation between CJ and NAVER. CJ and NAVER contracted business alliance by swapping their shares. Their entertainment and transportation business want to show powerful competitiveness in the future through the contract.
Now let's see the boss's backgrounds about the reason of contract. Let's see the NAVER first. Before with CJ, in fact, they had actively implemented outsourcing. However, they don't have afford to be sufficient in many business. For example, they give outsourcing to individuals in the selling, and they give outsourcing to big entertainment too in the entertainment business. Now let's see their competitors. We analyze the NAVER's position with the BCG metrics. NAVER is in the question mark. Their competitor will be the Coupang or the Kakao TV, which is the star and cash cow. They need a strong running mate, the CJ.
Now, I'm going to present you guys CJ company overview. CJ's vision is being worldwide life and cultural company, creating 건강, 즐거움, 편리. Its slogan is only one in product and service, creating best customer value. They have four main business categories, which are food service, biotechnics, logistics, and entertainment media. In 2019, CJ Corporation recorded revenue that amounted to approximately 33.8 trillion South Korea won. The main revenue source in total revenue is from logistics or food and food service. They had expanded their business to foreign market based on their success in domestic market. And how about 2023 color? These are revenue and profit indicators of this year compared to last year's third quarter. Though both CJ Jeiljedang and Daehantongun has been growing, CGV and Freshway, which is the food material distribution business, has been decreased. And the revenue of E&M has been decreased as well. So, CJ needs to get a new strategy to overcome this circumstance. And perhaps that is cooperation with NAVER.
The following is about the part of transportation of the NAVER-CJ alliance. I will talk about NAVER's e-commerce business first. E-commerce means 전자상거래 in Korean, which means the buying and selling of goods or services using the internet. NAVER has an advantage of being the top player in the sector of e-commerce and platform business. In 2019, NAVER ranked number 1 in the market. However, NAVER had no logistics delivery network of their own. Therefore, they couldn't manage to do same-day delivery like Coupang. Coupang has a competitive advantage, the rocket delivery. Next, I will talk about CJ Logistics. CJ Logistics is the top player in the sector of logistics business. In 2018, CJ completed the construction of fulfillment center in Gunjeom, which can handle 1.7 million parcels a day. And CJ's logistics infrastructure enables efficient stock management and speedy delivery. CJ and NAVER's alliance will be benefit to both of the firms. First, NAVER will be able to construct a stable logistics system. Second, NAVER could be able to compete against Coupang by raising the speed of delivery. The alliance will also help the CJ too. They can safely secure the largest e-commerce firm as a client, which would be very profitable. CJ can also secure a stable content platform thanks to this alliance.
Next, this is the content alliance between CJ and NAVER Group. Through this alliance, CJ Entertainment's dramas or movies can be produced using intellectual property rights such as NAVER's webtoon and web novels, and CJ's Entertainment's Hallyu content can be transferred to the NAVER platform for online use. In addition, CJ Group's OTT service TVing was able to supply self-produced dramas and movies, thereby securing a competitive edge in OTT service. The alliance targets domestic and foreign customers who demand K content. It also differentiated itself by production of new content, such as realistic and short-form contents applied with VR and AR, and diversification of self-produced contents. And Rebuild It is planned to conduct sales promotions such as membership discounts, giving different advantage in terms of price.
We will talk about rival company of each of the logistics and contents business. I will talk about Naver's biggest rival company, Coupang. Coupang took over the OTT business from Hook. It seems that Coupang is benchmarking Amazon, which made great profits from Amazon Prime Video service. By launching this new business, Coupang could raise competitive power to compete against other e-commerce giants. However, compared with Naver and CJ, Coupang lacks competitive contents and there is already a immovable number one firm, Netflix.
Negative prospects in OTT service compared with competitor. TVing's goal is to catch up with Netflix. However, it is questionable whether Netflix, which shows tremendous growth at home and abroad, will be able to catch up. Now we will show you the expected effects of an alliance.
The expected effects. In e-commerce market, they could increase total customer benefits, and they get increased online shopping and delivery quantities. For Naver, to get a reliable and fast delivery system, and both company could reduce the cost of logistics or online platform. In content market, CJ could secure intellectual property rights such as webtoon or web drama, and CJ could use Naver's community site and platform. On the other hand, Naver could use CJ producing skills and its broadcast channel.
Now, next chapter is the expected problems. Let's see the limits of cooperation. Cooperation can cause the disagreements between both companies. In transportation, Naver will complain CJ's service profit chain, which means the downgrading service quality to customers. However, CJ can be against to their quality of platform too. In contents business, to make it works, they have to understand each other more harder than non-cooperated companies. This is likely to make glitch in the process. Ownership dispute can happen too. In the contents business, intellectual property right is very critical. Cooperation can cause the ownership dispute with IP.
I will introduce you negative external environment related to this partnership. Though e-commerce and logistics business has seen a sharp increase thanks to the spread of coronavirus, it will also limit the capability of increasing the workforce. Also, the existing deliverymans could struggle with overwork and it could damage the brand image. If there is no manpower, logistics business particularly loses strength. Even though CJ and Naver's partnership is profitable enough, it could be useless. Therefore, they should work out a way to manage human resources.
There were various negative prospects in the OTT service. Currently, TVing's competitiveness is not enough compared to domestic OTT, including Wave, as well as Netflix. OTT service should increase paid subscribers with content and invest in content again based on it. To secure as many subscribers as possible, the domestic market alone is not enough, so it should be possible to advance into overseas market. However, for Netflix, which is currently growing globally in its service, it has a wide range of content in its own film and dramas that can only be viewed on Netflix, such as Netflix original. Therefore, it may take more time and capital for CJ Group's OTT service TVing, which has joined forces with Naver, to develop into a global OTT service company.
This is the end of the marketing team's presentation. And thanks for the bit of audience of our presentation.